And we're back, fellow knife enthusiasts. Just Jewel here with a Linerlock knife, and today we are doing the Civivi Brazen. Yep, so let's, ooh, look at that, that's nice. Okay, so obviously it comes with a pouch and stickers and the cleaning cloth. So here it is. Open pretty smoothly there, the Linerlock. So overall it's about 8 inches. Blade length is 3.50. Cutting edge is about 3.375. Blade material on this one is D2, like most of Civivi's knives. This one's got a stone washed, flat grind, with a bit of jimp in there. This is the Tonto style one, though it's also available in drop point. This is also the purple G10. There's the tip up black wash pocket clip. It's got a jimped flipper and a thumb stud, so you can use either one for opening. Black liners. It also comes in several different colors. You can also get one in like a Damascus steel if you prefer. There's also different colored washes for the blade as well, so lots of options on this one. There's also a lanyard hole for additional carry options. Overall, I'd say this is a really good Civivi knife. It opens really smoothly, closes well, the Linerlock disengages nicely as well. So let's show you how it cuts real quick. Got some cardboard here, kind of large. I probably should have cut it beforehand. So, let's see. Oh, I'm a little out of the frame. Hold on. Let me get back in there for you. See that? There. I could do some smaller ones. So, that's very straight. Let's see what we can do with the Tonto. There we go. So, cuts pretty well. I mean, it is D2, so it's going to cut well. So, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe on AtlanticKnife.com and their channel. I'm Just Jewel, and I'm signing off.